Friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark test in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro device, so which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor in this MediaTek Dimensity processor. So let me try to show you the settings as well. As you can see, Dimensity 1000 plus, so which has a 8 GB RAM variant. In this video, I'll be using that model. And this is the first time I'm doing the antutu benchmark test, and this is the first time I'm using the Dimensity 1000 processor as well in this in my studio. So I'll keep you updated about this battery life, heating issues, and any other problems if I face with this processor. And make sure to follow me regularly by subscribing to my channel. As always, do check the links in description for the wallpapers, exactly for the punch holes and this kind of good looking live wallpaper. Check the links in description, so you can find so many videos in the links in description below. As you can see, friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro 5G variant, and let me try to start the test right now. As I said, this is the first time I am doing the antutu benchmark test in this Realme X7 Pro, so I'm very much excited to get to know the score as well. So let me even try to show you the temperature before the antutu benchmark score has been started. As you can see, right now it's 35 degrees. So 35, 34 on the back side, as you can see, but maximum on the front side screen is 35 degrees. It got recorded. So by the time the antutu benchmark test has been completed, so let's see what will be the temperature after the antutu benchmark score. So overall, the Realme X7 Pro has very good specifications for the price it is offering. I'll be doing a separate video on the pricing as well, so from which website I bought and what is the pricing about this mobile phone. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And the main thing I like about this phone is very lightweight and having very big screen, 6.5 inches with a 120 Hz Super AMOLED panel. So that's another good experience using this mobile phone so far. So by the time I'm making this video, the phone has not been launched in India. So definitely, if you are planning to buy the any other premium end smartphone, so which has a price range close to this, I think 30,000, then definitely you can consider to buy this mobile phone. So for more information, stay tuned, friends. I'll be trying to do the battery draining test as well while playing Pubg game and other games as well. So stay tuned for that video, which I am very much excited to know how much the battery life will be there in the Realme X7 Pro device. So I'll be creating the playlist very soon on this Realme X7 Pro. So do check the playlist for the Realme X7 in case if you want to know more videos on the Realme X7 Pro device. So there'll be so many videos coming for the next couple of days on this phone alone. So I'll be using this phone as my daily user as well. So I'll be updating about the 4G data connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, display, brightness, and outdoor usage and everything. I'll be talking about this Realme X7 Pro after using for 24 hours. So that video will be coming next tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video as well. So as you can see, friends, the score is out, and 5,29,000 the score got in the Realme X7 Pro device. So these were the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus processor. And let me try to show you the battery temperature as well, phone temperature. As you can see, it's close to 40 degrees. So when I started, it was 35 degrees and now it is 39.9 degrees, as you can see here. So overall, there is a 5 degrees rise during this antutu benchmark test alone. So what I'll try to do, I'll try to do the Pubg battery drain test as well, starting from 100% to the 0%. So very soon, I think maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll try to post a video on that one. So stay tuned by subscribing, friends, because the Pubg gameplay using the 4G data with the full brightness, then definitely I would like to see what is the maximum temperature the phone can actually get in with the Realme X7 Pro with this MediaTek processor. So this is an overall quick antutu benchmark test in the Realme X7 Pro, and for more videos, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.